When we talk about EVs, the first name on everyone's lips is Tesla, and rightfully so. Tesla sold nearly 1 million EVs in 2021. However, upstart EV producers such as Rivian, NIO, and Lucid aren't far behind anymore, with Lucid just recently taking a quantum leap ahead in its bid to become one of the world's best EV producers. Join us today as we take an inside look into Lucid's recently completed Advanced Manufacturing Plant 1, otherwise known as AMP1, in Casa Grande, Arizona, how it ended up in Arizona, and what Lucid's future manufacturing plans are. Also, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, leave a comment, and hit the notification bell if you like our content. Now let's get right into it. Founded in 2007 under the name Ativa, Lucid originally had its sights set on building electric vehicle batteries and powertrains for other EV manufacturers. However, in 2016, Lucid's Chief Executive Officer Peter Rawlinson, who had previously served as VP of Engineering at Tesla and Senior Director of Production at Audi, announced the company's intention to develop its own all-electric, high-performance luxury vehicle, the Lucid Air, and to build a $700 million manufacturing plant in Casa Grande, Arizona. Construction began in December 2019, and not even a year later, in the early hours of Sunday, December 1st, 2020, Lucid announced the completion of AMP1. This was a remarkable feat, considering that the company broke ground on the factory on December 2nd, 2019. Casa Grande, located about 50 miles south of Phoenix, is a city in South Arizona with a population of just over 50,000 people. AMP1 is located in Casa Grande's industrial development, near the junction of Interstate 8 and 10. The manufacturing plant, which currently sits on a 590-acre site, is expected to initially produce around 34,000 vehicles per year, with future plans to expand the plant to achieve production of 400,000 vehicles per year. With the first phase of the manufacturing plant completed in just over a year, it may seem like Lucid has a smooth sail to the top. However, this has not been the case. Like many other companies, Lucid has its share of bumps along the way. The AMP1's first produced vehicle, the 203 Dream Edition Air Sedan, was originally supposed to hit markets in 2018. However, the company ran into financial struggles and needed significant external funding. Lucid received this major financial support that same year in the form of a $1 billion investment from Saudi Arabia's sovereign wealth fund. The investment was to fund not only the first phase of the construction of the advanced manufacturing plant at Casa Grande, Arizona, but to also fund the final engineering and testing of the Lucid Air model. The commercial production of the Lucid Air, as well as the company's worldwide retail strategy, it's rumored that as part of the investment from the Saudi fund, Lucid had to commit to eventually developing a manufacturing facility in Saudi Arabia, with Jeddah as the most likely site. According to reports, Lucid selected Arizona as the site for its manufacturing plant after an exhaustive search that included at least 13 U.S. states and over 60 sites, including Sacramento. So why Arizona? According to Lucid, Arizona was selected for various reasons, including an easily accessible infrastructure, a suitable geographic location, and a pre-existing automotive supply chain in the region. That was not all that was considered, though. Lucid has publicly stated that while all markets wanted an automotive OEM facility, Arizona was the state that made us feel as if it were a partner in the process. We were impressed that Governor Ducey made a trip to California to meet our team and was so accessible when we were in Arizona. This was one of the key deciding factors in choosing Casa Grande. Lucid also recognized that there would be a need for expansion of the facility in the near future, and Arizona offered the needed space for planned large expansions, with major areas of the factory being intentionally designed with the expansion intentions in mind. Said Arizona Governor Doug Ducey, "Attracting a high-tech automotive manufacturer like Lucid Motors to Arizona is a testament to the talent, business environment, and geographic location our state has to offer innovative companies to help them succeed. We made an extra effort to bring another major manufacturing facility to Arizona." As part of Arizona's enticement of Lucid to the state, it used a number of typical grants and tax incentives, including a $5 million cash grant from the state and an array of tax breaks. It's estimated that Lucid will ultimately become eligible for more than $45 million in subsidies, including the cash grant, money for job training, and nearly $40 million in refundable tax credits under the Qualified Facility Tax Credit Program. While this may seem like a huge sum, this is much less than the $335 million in tax credits promised to Faraday Future. the $1.3 billion in similar credits offered to Tesla by the state of Nevada, or the nearly $1 billion in incentives offered to Rivian by the state of Georgia for its new manufacturing plant. So what does Lucid intend on building at its AMP-1 facility? According to Lucid's CEO, the company plans a total of 4 phases that would run through 2028. These phases will take the square footage of the factory from its current 999,000 to 5.1 million square feet. At that stage, AMP-1 would boast a manufacturing capacity of up to 400,000 units per year. To confirm its commitment to creating jobs for Americans, Lucid ensures that a reasonable amount of the production process at AMP-1 is carried out by humans. And speaking of humans, as of December 1st, 2021, there were around 2,000 workers at the plant, and this number is set to increase as the expansion plans are carried out. Currently produced at AMP-1 is the Lucid Air, Lucid's 1,000 horsepower, 135 kilowatt per hour state-of-the-art luxury sedan, which combines a California-inspired design with a race-proven technology. The sedan features luxurious interior space in a mid-size exterior footprint. The Lucid Air sedan is capable of a projected EPA estimated range of over 500 miles. First deliveries of the Lucid Air occurred on October 30th, 2021, merely 10 months following the completion of AMP-1. In March 2021, the company received approval to move ahead with the second phase of its EV production facility in Casa Grande. This second phase will add 2,400,000 square feet to the facility and will include space for general assembly, stamping, warehousing, a powertrain plant, and multiple support and auxiliary structures. Speaking of Lucid's expansion plans, Peter Hochholdinger, Vice President of Manufacturing at Lucid Motors, had this to say: "In building this factory, we adhere to several important manufacturing philosophies, including the tenets of future ready and on time, together which have allowed us to effectively manage our investment and build a brand new factory from the ground up. As we add new platforms and vehicles to our lineup, the planning that went into this facility ensures that we will always be able to keep up with growing customer demand for advanced electric vehicles." At the moment, Lucid's advanced manufacturing plant is living up to this standard, and there seems to be little doubt that more successes will be achieved at this state-of-the-art manufacturing plant. What are your thoughts on the Lucid's advanced manufacturing plant? What challenges do you think the company might come up against in the near future? Let us know in the comments section below. We'll see you guys in the next one.